Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here today with Vatsal Shah and Dave McMorran from Litmus Automation. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's nice to have you here. Vatsal, you're a founder of Litmus Automation. So what is it that prompted you to start a company? What did you see that you wanted to fix?
It was a long time ago. We started a company from a real problem statement in the industrial environment where there is a large amount of legacy systems, like legacy data system, legacy applications built on the top of it. How do we unify all of them to create one modern data infrastructure that enables the next generation of applications? So we wanted to create this backbone of industrial data platform. And 9 years later, here we are. We are leading the market with industrial data platform, and industrial data ops as well.
So what is the impact? How is that changing manufacturing now? What's the impact of this platform for you?
So we started with a simple problem statement where we wanted to unify all the data sources from the plant floor, from PLC systems, DCS system, robotic system. The end applications were not well defined at that time. It was just, let's just unify all the data. In last 1 to 2 years, we are seeing artificial intelligence systems using our data. We are seeing predictive maintenance systems. We are seeing a large amount of cloud-enabled data-driven applications which are getting enabled on the top of our data. So our customers, they treat their data as their strategic asset. And when they start doing that, they keep on building next generation of applications on the top of it. ROI is just phenomenal. We are seeing some customers getting their return of investment in 3 months, 4 months, as soon as they get started. So it's pretty amazing to see.
So let me ask you guys, what is the kind of thing in the last couple of years that you're seeing? You're seeing a lot of people using your data for different applications. What are you kind of most pleased with or proud of that's gone on in the last couple of years with your company and your customers?
Yeah, dude, right?
Yeah, I think a lot of people, talk about ML, AI, ChatGPT now becoming, very, in the topics of conversation. So we're seeing a lot more in that, and people are not as scared of that as well. But I think what I've really seen is, I've been in this industry for a long time, is that all these disparate systems that are out there, people have been talking about bringing that data in together and having those tools. There's tools out there to do that, and I think what I really like about Litmus is all those tools are now in one place. If you put them all in one place, it allows you to replicate and scale it. So I think people are realizing that these homegrown systems and these pieces that they're putting together can't scale, and that the exciting part for me is to watch them be able to take this take an application, a solution, and replicate it and do it really quickly. So the speed of using that data, like Vatsal was saying, that 3 to 4 month ROI it's real, right? It's happening very quickly.
Well, that would make you want to scale up if you're getting that kind of return on investment.
Yeah, and on the top of it, it's just previously operational technology data, they were used by operational technology teams for operational technology purposes, mission critical purposes. Now the exact same data, CIO's team, they are utilizing it for supply chain optimization. They are manufacturing operations optimization. They are creating data warehouses in the cloud now. So there are far more use cases that opens up, and that led to us rebranding last year. We call ourselves "Do More with Data." That's how we define ourselves. That our platform enables manufacturing, IT, and data science teams to do more with data.
Okay, well, if we look forward in time, I know it's hard to make a long-term forecast because we do it a lot at ARC and it's a challenge. But if you were to look out in the long run, say 3 to 5 years, even longer maybe, where do you see what do you see for your platform in the future?
I just see more people getting more data. What we typically see at a customer is they'll solve a particular use case and of whatever that might be, and then other people hear about it, so they want to actually add more. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with that? And all of a sudden, it just snowballs on that, and it goes from one plant to another plant. Even though they're different, they're looking at this as a technology stack that they can solve, whatever problem that they might have. So I just think that you're getting more people using the data, that they're treating it like a strategic asset now.
Right.
Yeah. and are going to start leveraging that data and using tools like in the cloud and some other tools that are there, because it's a lot easier to get all the data in one place. There's a lot better tools out there. They're easier to use. You don't have to be a data scientist to use some of these tools. That you're going to start leveraging that information. So that's what I see.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah.
What do you think?
In terms of use cases itself, a lot of sustainability use cases, they have been coming our way over last at least 1 to 3 years type of time frame. At ARC, you guys are pioneering a lot of sustainability research as well. So that is one of them. Another one, artificial intelligence, is popping up like at every discussion that we go to. Even if it as an executive level, even if it as a operator level, everybody wants to utilize that data with some sort of artificial intelligence purposes. The use cases, they are yet to be defined, but we want to be that company that enables those use cases as a complete data backbone that they are going to utilize. So artificial intelligence, some of the ESG use cases, a lot more cloud-enabled applications, they are also coming back to manufacturing environment.
Well, as these applications get defined, I hope you two will come back and show us some success stories and what you learned from this in the next year or two.
100%, we'll do that.
Okay, great. Thanks for being with me.
Thank you for having this.
This is Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group, and I've been talking with Vatsal Shah and Dave McMorran of Litmus Automation. Thank you for watching.